In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Clickup in just about 5 minutes. Now, for those of you who might not be familiar, Clickup is an incredible tool that teams use to manage projects, tasks, documents, and so much more all in one place. However, as easy as Clickup makes managing work, navigating through its options to make simple personal adjustments like changing your name can sometimes be a bit tricky. But worry not, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to do just that, all by yourself. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to make your way to the Clickup website. There's a specific URL you could use, but simply searching for Clickup or typing clickup.com in your browser should get you there just fine. Once you've arrived at the Clickup homepage, it's time to sign in to your account. Look for the login option, which you'll typically find in the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on login will lead you to the sign in page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email. Type in the email address associated with your Clickup account. After you've filled in your email, it's time to enter your password. This should be the password you set up when you created your Clickup account or the last time you updated it. With your email and password entered, you're almost there. Now just click on the login button. If your login credentials are correct, you'll be taken straight to your Clickup home screen. This is where the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your personal settings. To do this, look for your profile picture or name in the bottom left corner of the home page. This might vary slightly depending on any customization you have done to your workspace, but it's generally in that area. Clicking here will open up a menu. In this menu, look for the settings option. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage all kinds of preferences related to your account. Since we're focusing on changing your name, you'll want to look for a section in these settings labeled something like Profile. Within the Profile section, you'll find various bits of information about your account that you can edit, including, importantly, your full name. This is where you can update how your name appears to you and your teammates on Clickup. Simply click into the text box with your current name, clear it, and type in your new desired name. Once you're happy with your new name, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a Save button, which is usually located somewhere around the name text box, or at the bottom or top right corner of the page. Clicking Save will apply the changes to your account. And voila, you've successfully changed your name on Clickup. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to consider. Make sure that your new name still adheres to any professional standards necessary for your workplace. Also, remember that changing your name in Clickup changes how you are displayed and mentioned within your team's workspace, so make sure to notify your team of the change if needed to avoid any confusion. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to change your name in Clickup. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and I hope this guide has made that clear for you. With Clickup being such a vital tool for organization and productivity, personalizing it to suit your identity can help make your workspace feel even more intuitive and comfortable for you. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget, if you have any questions or need further assistance with Clickup, their support team is just a few clicks away, ready to help you make the most out of your experience. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.